Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison between two of the top contenders in the tire world for SUV and electric SUV vehicles, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV and the Continental PremiumContact 7. If you're an SUV driver, stick around, because this review will help you choose the perfect tire to enhance your driving experience. First, let's tackle wet braking, a crucial aspect of safety in adverse weather conditions. The Continental PremiumContact 7 takes the lead here, stopping in just 37.7 meters from 100 kilometers per hour. In comparison, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV requires 39.2 meters. That extra 1.5 meters could be the difference between a close call and a collision. In wet handling, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV outperforms the Continental PremiumContact 7 with an average speed of 58.5 versus 57.6 kilometers per hour, making it more agile and responsive. Additionally, the Michelin excels in straight and curved aquaplaning resistance, offering superior grip and control, ideal for driving in heavy rain. Switching to dry conditions, the Continental PremiumContact 7 shines. It stops quicker from 100 kilometers per hour with a braking distance of 33.2 meters versus Michelin's 34.1 meters. On dry handling tracks, Continental again edges out Michelin with an average speed of 71.3 kilometers per hour compared to 70.9, offering a bit more agility and control. For those considering tire longevity, the Continental PremiumContact 7 slightly outlasts the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV, promising an extra 1,020 kilometers of life. This can mean fewer tire replacements over the life of your vehicle. In terms of noise, both tires are nearly identical. The Michelin registers 70 decibels, while the Continental is just a hair louder at 70.3 decibels. This negligible difference ensures a quiet and comfortable ride with either choice. For EV drivers, battery range is crucial. The Continental PremiumContact 7, with a rolling resistance coefficient of 8, is 20% more efficient than the Michelin's 10. This results in lower energy consumption, 8.46 kilowatt-hour per 100 kilometers for Continental versus 19.17 kilowatt-per-hour for Michelin, extending your EV's range and improving overall efficiency. In summary, Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV excels in wet handling and superior aquaplaning resistance, making it ideal for those who drive frequently in rainy conditions. On the other hand, Continental PremiumContact 7 stands out in efficiency, offers a longer battery range, and delivers superior dry performance, perfect for maximizing EV range and dry road handling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.